Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add cell borders in Excel inside. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add cell border in inside of sheet. At first, now I am select the sheet. Go to the home menu. Select border drop down menu. We can see here many border. You can add any border. You can add the top border, left, right, all border, outside, or etc. Now I am select the all border option. Click outside. We can see we add cell border easily. You can remove this border. Select again and go to again the border option and choose no border. Now I am add the all border. Now we want to make sure the border is included. Go to the file menu, then select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the preview, the border is showing. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.